welcome back to my Taglish channel. So for today's video, wow, it's a good weather today, guys. So for today, I will cook our lunch. So Jax and I's lunch, guys, for today's video. So brought to you by Dinnerly, guys. You know Dinnerly is a food. So they give us food. So today, it's my turn to shine. Okay, so we are going to cook a Vietnamese sweet beef stir fry with rice and toasted coconut for 25 minutes and 2 serving, of course. So ayan yung picture niya. And I don't have any apps, so I prefer na meron akong hard copy to follow. So eto, guys, so we have a 5 steps over here. So in the left side, we have the one we need for our Vietnamese sweet beef stir fry. So we have jasmine rice, 1 carrot, coriander, Vietnamese pho, seasoning, beef stir fry, and our shredded coconut. So what we need is soy sauce, sugar, white vinegar, vegetable oil, and we need a small saucepan with lid, and a box grater medium fry pan. And this is the allergens and nutrition per serving. So guys, ito yung ating mga ingredients. We have carrots, we have the shredded coconut over here, we have the Vietnamese pho seasoning, and we have, because I'm lazy, I don't want to cook rice in the pan, so here we have a microwave rice. It's very common here in Aussie world. And here we have the beef stir fry strips. Yan, this one. And then we have the coriander too, and sauce, soy sauce, sugar, and vinegar, and vegetable oil, guys. So, ayun na nga, guys. Yan. Okay, guys, so now we are going to start our Vietnamese sweet beef stir fry. Nakikita niyo ba ako, guys? Ayan, para mukbang lang ang peg. So, ayan, guys, I will cut our step is we need to cook rice. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear. Put in a small saucepan with like blah blah blah. But because I'm lazy, I don't need to cook a rice. I have the instant rice over here. Here, guys, it's a brown rice, jasmine rice. So, ayan, guys. Ito. Ayan. Tanananan. So, ayan. So, after that, guys. Okay. So, after that, guys, we are going to, yes, after that, the second one is we need to prep ingredients. So, after we, meanwhile, peel the carrots. So, now I'm doing to peel the carrots here. So we are going to peel the carrot, shred using a julienne peeler or coarsely grate with a box grater. Pick the coriander leaves and finely chop the stems. Combine 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon in a bowl, so like that. So marinate the beef. Okay, guys. So we are going to do a second step now. Okay. So we are now going to peel. Peeling time, guys. So put the coriander leaves and finely chop into the stems, like that, guys. Ito pala, tablespoon, guys. We need tablespoon. And then tablespoon of sugar. So, sugar. Ayan. Sugar na matigas. Ayan. Sugar who killing everything. Ayan. This tablespoon. And then, tapos 2 tablespoons. So we will set aside this. And now we are going to marinate. So we are going to marinate, guys. 2 teaspoons of at carrots. Okay, so in a bowl, half the seasoning. Where's the seasoning? So ito yung seasoning. So 2 teaspoons of white sugar. So 2 teaspoon guys. Ayan, 2 teaspoon of white sugar. Tananan. Okay, so 2 teaspoon and add the carrots and toss to combine. And then set aside. And then ito guys, yung yung vinegar. Okay guys, so ayan na yung step 3 natin. We are marinating and then set aside this one guys. Here the carrots and the white vinegar, pickles, occasionally if needed. So coriander stem, half of the seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil in a bowl and season with salt and pepper. Okay guys, so I have a bowl here. I have the pepper here and the salt and the vegetable oil, and then put together this one guys, the coriander stems. Ayan, coriander stem, put here. Ayan. Put the coriander stems guys, and then put the half of the half. So half guys. So ayan, half of the seasoning, so half lang. Yan, half of the and 2 teaspoon of vegetable oil. So we have vegetable oil here. So you can put 2 teaspoon lang guys. So 2 teaspoon at saka season with salt and vinegar. Separate. And then put the stir fry. Okay, step 4, stir fry the beef. Okay, now so we are going to toasting this one. The shredded coconut. Ayan. Shredded coconut guys. We're going to toast it until toasting for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, we need to turn off. And then we are on this is the 4th, so that's one earlier. Now we are stir fry our beef. So we are done on 2 and 3, which one are ingredients and preparation for the sauce. And now we are going to stir fry our beef for 1 minute until brown. So, ayan. And then after that is we need to serve the we are cooking our beef now. And then we put the beef. So yeah, we put that all guys. And then we make sure if the pan is. Okay guys, so after that we need to do the rice first. So here, you need to microwave 90 seconds. And then the whole grain, think we'll find out. So squeeze the pouch in, separate the rice, tear corner in the pouch to bend over 90 seconds. So we are going to tear it. Okay guys, so now I need to wait and then we need to fry it. ayan. So, we are going to do plating now. So, ang sabi dito, divide the rice, beef, and pickles carrot among those three so our little pickle sticky. Rice for Jax. So, ito. Ayan, na-reheat na natin. Ayan. Mainit-init pa yan. Okay. This one. This one on the side. Diyan. Coconut. Ayan. Biola. That's Derek Ramsey. Ayan na guys, tapos na. We are done on our Vietnamese sweet beef stir fry.
Look like an old man.
You are an old man.
I know, I've got like a collared shirt on. I'm wearing my old man jumper. Sup? Do you think? Eat your food.
We are eat na guys.
Yes. Gutom na.
So, that's it guys. That's our Vietnamese sweet beef stir fry for today's cooking show. So, what you can say, Jax? Is it delicious now?
Oh, sarap. Sounds very nice.
So, ayun na nga guys. That's it. I hope you enjoyed watching and you had fun today. Thank you very much for listening and thank you very much for watching. Mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today and please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah! Ciao la!
Oh, I've got my longer arms.
I want to see the after.